break, but no one's got air when it gets to the microphone. There's too many snakes up here like Uber. So I don't see me. Lights on. Sleep, you're not even. You're not sleeping. You clap right on. Outside K, in the place. We don't backtrack. Making this version like it. Outside K, up in the place. We don't what? Outside K, up in the place. No, we don't backtrack.
It might be here a little while. I'll give it a start. Hello and welcome. We are here at Brancaster Beach in Norfolk. I've been dying to get to the water and jump in the sea, so without further ado, let's go in the sea. Sea done. That was lovely, but I swallowed some and that was it. I'd had enough then. Time for Eric's. As the rain came across this still night, it was hard to imagine that things would pick up. Although it was expected, I doubted the storm on more than one occasion. The initial flashes and sheet lightning was a carrot on a stick to my photon capturing preoccupation. As many times as I got comfortable and snug in the polar sleeping bag, one blanket and double inflatable sleeping pad, I also got up to do my best to capture the moments between around 12 o'clock and 3 AM. Funny moment, but I decided to help him rather than film it, as it was still raining. The wind picked up and we had a double peg fail in the west wing. Some campsites really do only have 1 centimetre of grass between the peg and the hardcore. Anyway, 3 pegs later in one hole and we slept through the night. Here are just a few moments that I captured. The rest I have put onto a 20-minute video, which I will put separately. And caution, this next section does contain flashing images. You can stand in the shot if you like. You go the other way.
In 1 mile, turn left.
Thank you so much for watching. Please do smash the like button and subscribe if you're not already. It really will help in the future. It also makes your thumbs stronger, and nobody wants weak thumbs. And it's a great way to stay in shape. Okay, thanks. See you, bye.